Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to part 5 of the Stack from All Sides TikTok Trend Edit tutorial. In this final part, we will add finishing effects, export the video, and then create the repetitions loop. But if you haven't seen the previous part, just check the links on the descriptions. Okay, let's jump into the first steps. First, on intro clips, just add an effect. Search for Doodle Diary, like this, and then just set the durations, like this, and then just adjust the effects. Just set everything to 0 except speed at 100. Next, just add effects again, and then search for mini zoom, and then set it also to all videos. And then just adjust the effects. Just set the speed to 20, and then just range into 50, into 15, like this. Next, on the whole slow clips, just add an effect too. Search for cam shake, this one, and then set it into a whole video, like this. And then go to objects and then all videos. And then adjust the effects. Set the range into 10. And then set the speed into 7. Like this. Next, add effects again. Search for play pendulum. And then go to objects and then all videos. And then set the effects. Set the intensity into 8. Like this. And then set the twist into 10. And then speed on 12. And then sharpen into 0, like this. And then just set it into a whole video too, like this. And then step 3, just export the video. And after export the clips, then just go back into the projects and then import the exported clips into the timeline. And then delete the intro clips. Like this. This will create a looping effect that making the video repeat seamlessly. So the final video will look like this. Like this, and that's it. You have completed the stack from all sides edit tutorial in 5 parts. You have learned how to structure clips, add overlays and apply effects, build transitions, and then finish it with polish. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!